Hi everyone, this is a friendly DSISD IC here, Vanessa, and I am with the amazing
Ellen Phillips, special education teacher.
and we wanted to make this video to help you explore how to create a test in Eduphoria. Follow along. Once you get to the Eduphoria homepage screen, you're going to select
The Aware button. So you're going to click here. And then once you see this home screen, you're going to click Assessments on the far left tab.
and then you're going to go down to where it says create a new blank test. Here we're going to choose a standard assessment for today's video.
Here you're going to want to type in what your test is about. So for this video we're going to choose a third grade math test, and so we're going to call this Unit 1 Math Test. And our subject is math. Our grade level, we're going to choose third grade. Teacher is a teacher test, and then you're going to want to click Add a Course.
Yes.
And you're going to choose which one that applies to you. So for this example, it's elementary. And then again, third grade math.
And then you are good to go and generate the test. Once you're here is where all the fun begins. We are going to select multiple choice to start out. And we are going to go ahead and put in our multiple choice question from some questions that we pulled from TEKS resource.
Yes. So I'm going to, here is the question that I would like to copy. So I'm going to copy this question and then paste it over here. Oops.
And notice the font, so if you need to make things different, you have that option with all the editing tools at the top.
And so there's an image here because it's an array type question. So if you would like to, you could screenshot this image like this, and then you can add it to your question. Now we can go ahead and add our responses. So the first option for A, you can click this symbol here, and there's all these different ways that you can add in a response, but I'm just going to type it in. 8 times 4 equals 32, and then add a response for the next one. 7 times 6 equals 42. Add a response. 7 times 5 equals 35. And then finally 8 times 5 equals 40. And then you can choose your answer. So in this case, I believe this is the answer.
Yes.
And then you hit create.
Okay, so now you've got your first question ready to go for your assessment. Now we see that it says has altogether down here on the bottom of our array, so we know that for editing we need to fix that. So we did that on purpose to show y'all. Here's where you go for editing, and we are going to move everything around to make that work. And then also, if you want the picture, the array in the center, you can probably go over and align it that way. Yes, thank you. And then it's in the center if you want it that way. So we're gonna select, I don't know if you can see at the bottom right corner, but it says update. And there it is, it's all fixed. And do we like it better in the center, Ellen?
Yes, it looks much better.
Okay, so now we're gonna go on to our second question. So to add questions, you're going to select the add new item plus sign. And this time you see that we have multiple options of different types of questions. We want to explore the interactive item types. because that is what the students need to be familiar with for the STAR test and just be able to explore those options. And so Ellen is going to tell us which one we're going to select first. Let's see.
Let's learn more about the hot text.
Oh, that's right, the Learn More button. It tells
Yes.
you what this type does.
Yes, so in the hot text item, it allows students to demonstrate understanding by selecting highlighted text in a sentence, paragraph, or extended reading. So this would be a great one for a social studies passage or
reading. And
yes.
it tells us best for right there. So that's a really great option. What if we try the inline choice? What happens with that one?
This one you can select from a drop-down menu. So this one would be good for math, reading, or social studies.
Okay. And then there was one more we had looked at, and I think it was the matching. I feel like the match, was it the match? The drag and drop maybe? Okay.
Yep. Yeah, so this one you can give students a word bank and then they can drag the options to the right blank.
And it can be also, when you're looking at math, it can be a math word problem, and then you have the numerical representations there that they drag. So, and it shows you all the different options to do these. So we're going to say we're going to use one of these templates real quick just to show you before we end this first video. So let's say this is what we have, and I'm not sure exactly how I want to add it in there. So I'm going to select create. And then as I scroll, I can see that I do have that in there, and we would just want to go back and use our questions that we've pulled to manipulate and make our this particular question be a certain way and form it for our students. There is also ways that you can see the test key, online and administration, but we're going to go to that in another video. This is just to get you started to build a test. Have a great day.
Yes. Bye.